Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Safari. Open the app and don't pause. Tap the book icon in the bottom toolbar, then choose the clock tab to reveal history. Once done, tap the search field at the top and type a clear keyword, site name, or a phrase to narrow results. This finds entries saved to Safari fast. Make sure you aren't in private browsing, because private mode won't keep history. If you see nothing, check that you're on the correct device and account. Once you've typed search terms, scan the return list. Safari orders results by date and shows page titles and sites, so you can quickly spot the right entry. If results are noisy, refine with a more specific phrase or include a domain fragment. Tap any entry to open it immediately or long press to reveal options such as open in new tab or copy link. This keeps your spot in history. Make sure to inspect the URL bar. To finish, open the selected history entry or long press it to open in a new tab so your current page stays intact. If you need to remove items, tap Edit in the History tab to delete single records, or go to Settings, Safari Clear History to remove everything. If you can't find expected entries, make sure you weren't browsing in private mode and verify iCloud Safari Sync is enabled across devices. Otherwise, history may be on a different device or not saved at all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.